If your RZR wants to crank anytime the battery's connected, or it doesn't want to crank at all, there's a good chance your starter solenoid has gone bad. We're going to be replacing that today. First thing we want to do, disconnect your battery. With the battery disconnected, we can now come in here and actually see the part that we need to install. What we're looking at here, we have two bolts. We have that one, which is a 10 millimeter, the one directly below it. These can be pretty hard to access, but using a 10 millimeter and a long extension on a ratchet would make this pop right out. Then we're going to undo the connections while the piece is off. It is really, really hard to get a camera in here for you to see everything. But we got those two bolts out, and there's an electrical connection you can see on the right side there. This new part sits in here like that. That electrical connection I took off is held on by that clip. So if you just take your thumb and pop that up, the electrical connection will come off. Now we just have these two. I was hoping I'd have a little more room in there to pull this out, but it kind of looks like I'm gonna have to undo those bolts in this position. So I got the bottom one out now, and you can actually see on that back side is where those electrical connections are really short. So there's the connection down there. I've got the new one right there, the top piece installed. So now you just need to reach in there. It's really tight, it's difficult to do, but 10 millimeter with different extensions. And there's the finished product in there. It's a very difficult piece to get in and out. The number, if you need the product number, (4014655). I guess this goes across a bunch of different Polaris models, including some four-wheelers as well. But after that, just connect the battery and you're done.